Hi, this is Thomas from There Will Be Food, and today we'll be cooking nachos and some sauces, vegetable salsa and cheddar cheese sauce with jalapeños. And we will begin with nachos. For nachos, you just buy some tortilla from your store and you cut it to pieces, and then you have to fry it. So you make kind of big pieces from a tortilla because you will want to put it in your sauces, and they will look nicer if they're big, and they will also be easier to fry. You don't have to flip so many. Pan with hot oil and then put the nachos in. Fry them on both sides until they're lightly brown, and then put them into a bowl with sieve in it. You salt them and shake them. Then we start with the cheddar cheese sauce. You get butter sizzling in a pot, then you put some flour to it, and you mix it on medium heat until the flour gets brown. When the flour gets brown, you put some milk in it and mix again until homogeneous. When it's mixed, you put some salt and pepper in and mix again. Then put in the grinded cheddar cheese, maybe half of it, mix it, then put the another half in. When you're almost done, put the jalapeños in. Then keep warm on low to medium heat until the sauce thickens. And then keep warm on the stove. Vegetable salsa. Cut the avocado in half. If it's rib, you can take out the seed easily with knife, like this. Take the inside of the avocado out with a spoon. If it's not easy to do, then the avocado is not rib enough. Put into a bowl. Put some chopped red pepper in, then put some chopped tomatoes in, then put some chopped onion in, and then some salt and some pepper, and finish with a touch of lemon juice. Mash the avocado a bit, mix thoroughly. Pour the cheese sauce in a bowl. Now you see the final consistency of warm sauce, and you're ready to serve. It will be a great addition to your New Year's Eve table. And we are finished. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Done.